Let's make this super easy, effortless menu. Inilah lauk terpaling senang. I promise. Memang guna paste gulai cap bunga ros ni dah simple habis. Even for non-cookers, masak confirm jadi. I use 500 gram chicken, so guna half jar je. Gaul with ayam, you can add potatoes and a little water. Masuk dalam cast iron, chuck it in the oven, highest temperature. In the meantime, make your buttered rice with butter, halia, garlic and bawang. Tumis, add susu and salt. And of course, acar nenas is wajib. Sedapnya nenas manis with a squeeze of lemon. Half cooked chicken tadi, masukkan santan and air back in the oven. Decided to try and deep fry chicken juga with the same paste. Lepas tu, boleh hidang terus panas-panas with nasi butter and acar nenas. Idea bernas ni kan? All done under 1 hour. And confirm satu rumah makan bertambah, tak tipu. Idea lauk berbuka terpaling on juga ni guys. Stock up siap-siap from Shopee, okay?